Hi, this is Akkaz. As you already know, Vlookup function returns only the first matching result, and if the data have multiple matches, it did not even reach to them. Like in this example, the newly added function Xlookup also has same limitation. In this video, you will learn to create formulas to overcome this issue for older and newer Excel versions. Then we'll edit and create an enhanced complex formula to be used in newer versions of Excel. Let's create. This solution is for Excel 2019 and later versions. Microsoft have introduced a new function, filter. We will use it. Suppose we want to get contact numbers of finance department. Filter. In first argument, we will provide a range where from we want to return our results, comma. In second argument, we will provide a condition. If the condition returns true, the contact number of same row will be returned. Enter. Now we got contact numbers of finance department. Let's change the department. This is how you can easily get multiple matches of lookup. Let's create solution for older versions of Excel. Suppose we want to get contact numbers of admin department. Admin. Write VLOOKUP function in normal way. Search this into this column. Return from second column. As we expected, it returned only first match. To make the solution, first we need to make department names unique. For this, we need a helper column. Here we will write a formula to make department names unique. Now we will write formula as second part of our solution. We look up this. Here we need to add a function which will generate a unique number. Now range, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, false, bracket close, enter. To hide these errors, we will use if error. Now the solution is completed and we got multiple matches of VLOOKUP. Let's change the department. This is our formula. We used raw function to get a unique serial number merged with department name to match with helper column department names. This is how you can get multiple match results in older versions of Excel. Now you got all the matches like this, but maybe you need to get results in a different style. Instead of multiple cells, maybe you want to have results in a single cell like this. We have done in this style, but maybe you want to have results like this. You can do it easily in newer version of Excel. Let's make the formula. First, we need to write filter function. What to return? Condition range. What to check? Enter. Now we got all matches in different cells. Let's merge them in a single cell. To merge them, we will use TEXTJOIN function. First provide delimiter, then what if empty cells, then filter function. Now copy it. This is our final formula. We want to get players with games. Let's extract games with players condition. Let's merge into a single cell. Copy. This is how you can create formulas to get multiple matches. I'm sure this video is easily understandable, but if you have any query, please feel free to write in comments. If this video is beneficial for you, please hit like button and please subscribe my channel if not yet. Thank you.